Hi everyone, welcome to today's video and one of my bonsai actually that I did change a lot on recently and I worked on a lot recently. Basically, here to give you a little overview of how it looks right now. It used to look quite different, probably you can see here there's a huge cut, so I basically took off the entire canopy of this tree because when I bought it, it had this very artificial S shape that they often come in those ficus, as is this variety. And I really didn't like the shape of it any longer, so I tried to do something a bit more radical, really took off the canopy and basically trying to grow a new canopy, giving it a new shape, less of this very artificial S shape and still having it curvy, but in a more natural way somehow. As spring now is starting, you can see a lot of new growth basically. A lot of new growth also shooting out from rather old wood, as you can probably see here, like right underneath basically where I cut off the canopy. There's a lot of new growth. Basically, as there has been so much new growth, I think it is time now to cut it back a bit, take out some of those new shoots, simply because I don't want the tree to basically direct too much energy into those shoots that I'm not going to keep anyway, and rather focus on developing the canopy up here. As you can see, there is some new growth, but there has been a lot of new growth down here that seems to take more energy than could be used in a better way up here. So basically what we're going to do is here, to take a look at it, we have 4 or 3 different growth points actually that come out here right underneath where I did the big cut here. Basically, I will keep this one here because I could potentially develop this into one of the offshoots here basically sooner or later over time, but I will basically take out this one and also those smaller ones here that I'm not gonna need actually. Also this one here, clearing it out now. So basically this one. Yes, so it's already a bit less cluttered here in the middle. You can probably also see here one of the side arms basically. There is also a big shoot coming out. Basically the longest one by now, so it has really developed, I would say around 20 centimeters here. Definitely something that I don't want to keep. I do want to keep part of it because it could definitely improve the overall aesthetic of this side arm here. So I will cut it back actually to only 2 leaves here basically. So we take all of this out and hopefully it will branch out a bit better here, and on this side branch basically just create more structure overall in the future. So basically we already cut back a lot of it now. Let me see up here still. Probably you can see a lot of new growth also branching off the growth up here, and this is really what I'm looking for right now. Simply to create a new canopy, to really get a nice branch structure up here and to give the overall tree again a better structure and a better shape overall. You can also see it did some wiring here. It's probably not the best wiring, but it keeps the branches in place where I need them right now, so it does the job. Also up here, just to already give it like some ground structure to basically further on work with once the tree is a bit more established again and the canopy is a bit more established. So I think for today, actually, I would leave it at this. I don't want to cut back too much right now. It is the start of growth season now, so definitely there will be other points throughout the year still where we will need to cut back this tree a lot. And I will keep you, of course, updated when I do so. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, of course, always feel free to simply leave them in the comments and I will get to them as soon as I see them. See you in the next video. Bye.